Learning to program commands for Arduino is important for any electronics project. For this, I will use my own version of the ESP32. Use the JLCPCB manufacturing service. I will connect to jumper cables to JLCPCB and to pin 13. I will use a 270 ohm resistor. I will use a green LED so that it is better distinguished. Finally, I will connect ground and pin 13 to the LED. In the code, one will start by specifying the speed of the communication. I will specify pin 13 as output. I will create a conditional that will allow me to know if there are commands available. I will declare a timeout of 10 milliseconds. I will create a string which will contain the input command. When we press enter or line break, the following conditional will help us to distinguish each of the commands first on. If the conditional is fulfilled, we will turn on the LED with the digital write instruction. Now we distinguish the command off. We will turn off the LED with the same instruction specifying low. We will add a message to make sure the command was found. By uploading the code, we can see how the commands we specify respond to the instructions.